What is a very big difference between state judges and federal judges? Now, if you've had state court cases in New York, you know the way that judges get involved in plea negotiations. You could literally be on the record and the judge asks your lawyer, counsel, what is your client looking for? What is your client willing to take? And then after getting the answer, the judge would look at the prosecutor and say, can you make that happen? And if you can't, call somebody who can. Get a supervisor here. Let's all talk about resolving this case. And I do think it's incredibly beneficial just to move cases along and have a neutral third party, the judge, try to negotiate a resolution on behalf of the parties. This does not happen in federal court. Judges do not get involved in plea negotiations. Whatever the plea is, if one is reached, that goes before the judge reviews it, and the judge determines if the judge is going to accept the plea. That is it. Judges do not get involved. And frequently when we have clients coming to us with prior state court matters, they're just baffled at the fact that the federal judge does not get involved. And literally, when you take the plea in federal court, the judge says, I have not been a party to the negotiations with the plea agreement. It's been between your defense attorney and the prosecutor and the government. And so the judges do not weigh in on the guidelines calculations. They do not weigh in on, is this a fair resolution of the case? They're just completely staying out of it. And that's not the same in state court. In state court, I do think it's incredibly beneficial when the judge is like, let's all talk about this as a group and make it happen. So that is a very big distinction between state practice in New York and federal practice.